Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you to fix a particular error. And this particular error is a WhatsApp error. Now the error in question, as I'm about to show you here, and I'll have to just launch WhatsApp. As you see here, in cases where you try to send a video file, and it's usually isolated with video files, any video file at all, such as maybe a funny video or anything that you might have recorded. It depends on the situation. Maybe you just have a file and you're just trying to send it as important. And as soon as you try to upload the file, and of course here's the example, and if I hit retry here, because I already tried to send this, as soon as you see it uploading, it will say this error here, and I'll show you what it says. It says can't send this video, choose a different video and try again. And of course, if you instinctively try to hit retry again, the error just keeps on coming back. All right, if you're having this particular problem, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue. So the first thing I want to do right here, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and right away you're going to go to Google Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and once you're in Google Play Store, you're going to search for Video Convert, and you're seeing it on screen here. It's called Video Convert by VidSoft Lab. And of course, what you need to search for, search for Video Converter. Once you search for Video Converter, it should be one of the main options, and you can see the icon is of a wand, and you can use others as well, but I only know that it works with this particular one, so it would be best if you just use or repeat the process by trying the one I used. All right, so once you go ahead and get the Video Converter installed, should take a little while. Once of course the video conversion has completed, you're going to go ahead and launch the application. Once you launch the application, guys, just make sure that from here you tap the first option that says video convert files such as AVI, MP4, FLV, and once you tap, what you're going to realize is that you're going to see a bunch of options. Just go ahead and choose the vid you are having issues with. It should give you a run through of the video. Next, you're just going to go ahead and of course hit next, and the next is indicated by the arrow. Now it will ask you to select a format that you need to convert it in, or for what device. So it said select your device. Now do not worry, if you're on an Apple device, you could go ahead and select Apple, but it doesn't really matter. If you select Android, it will play back on both Android, and I've already tested it. It actually plays back even on Apple devices, so Android is the better option. You can always experiment. Once you do that, hit next, and of course it will show you a bunch of options here. You can mess with stuff like the frames per second. As for me, I just leave everything at default. If you look down here, you'll hit next, and of course it will show you this, that it will convert a MP4 file to MP4 file. Do not worry. Again, guys, although it's going to convert it from MP4 to MP4, what's key here is that the file converter will change the encoding on the file. By changing the encoding on the file, that will be enough for the file to send. So next, it says final step. Just go ahead and hit the check. Once you hit the check, it will convert. Depending on the speed of your phone, it might take a little bit long, but of course it shouldn't take too long, especially if it's a very short video. I've already done this, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just go ahead and just close out the option. All right, so once you do that, just go back to WhatsApp, and in my case, just make sure that you select the new file. It's going to be the newer one in the list, so the older one is going to be second to the newer one, and of course it should have the same preview and everything. So what you're going to do next is you're just going to go ahead and upload or re-upload it by selecting. You already know to that, just hit the photo button here, select the file, and it should send. As you can see here in my conversation thread, that the video actually eventually sent, and that's because after converting it, it actually was able to send through. I won't need to do that again, as you do understand what I'm saying. All right, so once you do that and convert, the file will send over, and that should fix this really annoying problem that's telling you that the file cannot send. And of course, guys, as I said, the error seems to be as a result of the fact that something went wrong, or some video file formats, the encoding is wrong, and for some reason WhatsApp doesn't like it, and if it doesn't like the file, it will not send it. All right, guys, we got to go from Blog Tech Tips. Say bye until next time. Bye.